The Dono Carbon Dioxide Beauty Program is an entirely new type of skincare program developed jointly by Dr. Yukihiro Bando and Doctors Co. Limited. The Carbon Dioxide Beauty Program was devised as a method that releases large amounts of oxygen, a source of vitality for beautiful skin, from capillaries in the skin and dermis.
こだわって作った成分の化粧品と炭酸ガスのコラボレーションによってお肌を健康的に赤ちゃんのような肌に導くことができます。サロンメニューとサロンになかなか通えない方のためのホームケアも開発いたしました。
When a carbon dioxide mist is sprayed on the skin, the carbon dioxide is transferred to the hemoglobin in the blood vessels, where it replaces oxygen. And the oxygen that is then split from the hemoglobin is released and becomes a source for cellular energy. Blood circulation is also improved because hemoglobin that carries oxygen also gathers in larger quantities at the area where the carbon dioxide mist is sprayed. DigInfo News.